Hello guys, today we're going to be fixing an iPhone 6s Plus. The screen is cracked and also in the back you can see it's cracked also. So we're gonna replace that. We're not gonna fix the back, just gonna fix the front glass. Since the screen is so cracked, what we can do, and you can use a heat gun to loosen up the adhesive underneath the screen. But since that one's already been replaced in the past, I'm just gonna replace the screen without the heat gun. But first we have to remove the two pentalobe screws on the bottom of the screen. To remove those, you can use the suction cup to pull up the screen so you can take it out. Sorry for the blurry part of the video. Around the screen so we can release off the screen. Just move it around. From both sides. Just like that. Don't go too fast, just pull up slowly. Now we're gonna switch the screwdrivers. We're gonna use the Phillips screwdriver to move one of the 5 screws, just like you see in the picture. That we remove those 5 screws. Now we're gonna release the cables from the motherboard. Just use the plastic pry tool. Just be gentle, be careful. Take them out. Put the phone away. So we're gonna have to remove 8 screws from the back plate so we can remove the back plate. Okay, let's remove them. Those 6 screws on the side are the same size, so you don't have to worry about which one where you put. So just put them. But I always try to put them in order. So so you have to keep it in place. Bottom one that covers the home button, so we're gonna have to remove that bracket. There's 2 screws that's holding the bracket, so we can release the home button from the screen. screws out, take the bracket out. You're gonna have to take out the home button now with the pry tool. Just be careful not to mess with the cable that's holding it down. Go like this. There you go. Now we can remove the back plate just like that. Now we're gonna go on top. We're gonna release the 3 screws that's holding the camera and the sensor down. That little bracket as you see in the picture. You can use the heat gun to release the glue, but the way I do it, I go underneath the little bracket that's holding the sensor, so that way the sensor can come out with the little bracket. Sometimes if you just heat it up, the sensor can stay behind and mess up the whole piece. So that way I make sure all of them come out safely. I don't have to worry about that. Just go underneath all the way down, take both of them out together. And I will release it. You can see the plastic stays within the sensor, so you don't have to worry about it. So you can just put it back. Now the whole screen is done. What we have to do, we have to transfer everything to the new screen now. That's the new screen. We're gonna replace the old screen with. You can see the new screen comes with the little plastic also. Since we already have one in the sensor, we're gonna remove the one from the new screen. We can use the heat gun to loosen up the adhesive so we can remove it. It's out, so we don't have to worry about that. You have to take that tape out. Just be careful while taking that out so you don't mess up the LCD. Just gently. That little red tape, you have to take it out also. Now we're gonna put the back plate on this screen. Just like that. put the 6 screws on the side and the one on top and the bottom. Like I said, the 6 screws on the side are the same size, so you don't have to worry about what you put. Okay, now we're gonna replace the home button. We're gonna put it in place. Just be careful attaching the cable so you don't mess it up. We're gonna replace the bracket with the little screws, the little piece, the 2 screws. Okay, now that we put them in place, we're gonna go on top so we can put the sensor. But before we do that, there's a little tape we have to take out. Okay. There you go. Taking it out. Just align it perfectly. Now we're going to put back the little earpiece so you can make sure it's aligned properly. So we're going to put the bracket to hold it down in place. Make sure everything is aligned. I put the middle screw first to hold it down. Now I put 2 screws. I'm gonna test and make sure it's aligned properly. If you can feel the little black thing, or you can see if it's aligned. Okay, now that's done. We're gonna connect the screen. now we're gonna test the screen. You will see it turns on. There you go. The screen is on. Give it a couple seconds or minutes to turn all the way on so we can test it, make sure everything is working.